Morning. This is Harshit Agarwal. Today I'm going to present you the pivot table in Excel 2016. How can we create the pivot table in Excel 2016? So start with the Excel sheet. Firstly, we will go through the data. What we have in the data. We have the sales date, sales ID, month, year, item value, sales quantity, and the salesperson. Now I have to see the salesperson summary year wise and the quantity of sale. Select the data, go into the insert tab. There are a lot of options. Firstly, we will go through the pivot table. This is the section. Now click on the pivot table. There are four check marks in the sheet. Firstly is the select the table or reach. Now the data is already selected here. Second one is the use an external data source. So we are preparing the pivot table in the same sheet, so we didn't require the use an external any kind of the data source here. Now move on to the another section. Choose where you want to the pivot table report to be placed. So this section is required for if you are creating the pivot table in the new worksheet, then check mark on the new worksheet. If you creating the pivot table in the existing worksheet, then check mark on the existing worksheet. For example, if we are preparing this pivot table on the existing worksheet, click on that. Now the location is ready to choose. For example, if I want to create this pivot table in the L2 column, cell L2, press on that, click OK. Now the cashier has been prepared here. Move on to the salesperson, drag the salesperson into the rows. Now sales quantity in the values and drag the year into the columns. Press cross button here. You see the sales quantity wise the person here, the year wise, and the sales quantity is here, and see the grand total here. That's all it. Simple and easy. Thanks. If you have any query or question, let me know. Happy to resolve it. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.